Tokyo is the capital and most populous city of Japan, located on the eastern coast of the island of Honshu. The city has a rich history that dates back to the 12th century when it was originally known as Edo. It served as the center of political power in Japan during the Edo period, from 1603 till 1868, and played a significant role in the country's economic and cultural development.
Today, Tokyo is a bustling metropolis and a major tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. The city is known for its unique blend of modern and traditional architecture, including landmarks such as the Tokyo Tower and the Imperial Palace. The climate in Tokyo is characterized by hot and humid summers, with temperatures reaching up to 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit in August, and mild winters, with temperatures dropping to around 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit in January. Spring and autumn are considered the best times to visit the city, as temperatures are mild and the cherry blossoms and fall foliage are in full bloom. In terms of demographics, Tokyo has a population of over 13 million people, making it one of the most densely populated cities in the world. The city is also known for its aging population, with a significant proportion of residents over the age of 65.
Food and cuisine are an integral part of Tokyo's culture, with a wide variety of traditional and modern dishes available. Some of the city's most famous foods include sushi, ramen, udon, tempura, and yakitori. The city is also known for its street food scene, with vendors selling everything from takoyaki, octopus balls to teriyaki, fish-shaped cakes filled with sweet red bean paste. Finally, Tokyo is a major economic hub, with a GDP of over $1 trillion. The city is home to many of Japan's largest corporations, including Toyota, Mitsubishi, and Sony. Its economy is primarily based on technology, finance, and tourism, and it is considered one of the most important financial centers in the world.